What's the meaning of bright? Bright. Bright.
Bright. Bright. The word bright generally refers to something that produces or reflects a lot of light, or something that is shining or glowing. This can be used to describe a physical object such as the sun, or it can be used figuratively to describe a person who is intelligent, cheerful, or optimistic. In either case, the word suggests a quality of vibrancy, clarity, or brilliance that stands out from its surroundings. A bright light can illuminate a dark space, just as a bright personality can bring warmth and vitality to a dull situation. Overall, bright implies a positive quality that is both visible and energizing.